Look, that's a little funnel right there. Look, right there.
Yeah.
That's a little funnel. That's a tornado funnel. Look at it.
Is that just a cloud?
That's look at it coming out. That's a little tornado funnel. It's just a funnel. It's not hitting the ground yet. Whoa. That's a funnel. You can see. Look at it. That's a distinctive funnel. Oh, Jesus. Oh, sorry. I'm getting very excited. I have never seen this in New Jersey. Oh, that went away. Oh, no, it's still there. Yeah, but that's because there's rotation over by this little funnel thingy. I don't know if that's hail or if that's heavy rain.